Today we have a 2008 Cadillac DTS. We'll be replacing the rear air suspension or air shock. All right, y'all, sorry about the background noise. Our compressor is building up pressure, but first thing we're gonna do is remove 5 of these little plastic clips here with our tool. Gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and swing this down once you do that. After you do that, I'll show you on this end. Pretty much just gonna open this up, pull it out, which will expose the air shock back there. However, it will be covered with this little boot here. Just pull it off. So now that it's exposed with a number 13 deep socket and extension, we're gonna remove 2 nuts, one right there and the other one directly behind it on both ends. And once we do that, we can lift up the vehicle and begin to take them out. So after removing those 2 13mm nuts, go ahead and just pick up this little plate here and put it to the side just so it doesn't fall behind here. And we'll do the same with the other side here. So here, sorry, this camera, hard to get a view the way I'm working, but just lift it up, just kind of lift up on it and get this out the way. So yeah, just comes right up. And if you see this, it says outward, so this will be going this direction. So let's get those off and lift the vehicle up. So now with the 2 bolts up top removed, or nuts, sorry, removed, we're gonna go ahead and remove this line here with the pick. Just kind of take this off and just get it out the way. Once you do it, just pull back, lift this, and pull back. Now after we've pulled out the airline here, we're gonna go down to the bottom. And with a number 10, we're gonna remove these 2 bolts and slide it out. Hopefully I can go ahead and remove it without moving the wheel, but let's see what happens. So earlier I said slide down, I meant slide up and over. So I'm gonna try to see if we can get it out this way. If not, I'll remove the wheel, but I believe if I just angle it correctly, we can get it out just this way. So I was able to remove the old one out this way here, just by pretty much just compressing it just a little bit and sliding it out. So I have the new one right here. Keep in mind the orientation of where the airline goes. There are 2 different part numbers for this one. So this one will just go like this. And we're gonna go ahead and slide it in and compress it a little bit to fit into place. I also forgot to mention that we will have to transfer these over to the new air strut, our air shock, sorry. So I have our new air shock in place here. Just a little FYI when doing so, I did, gosh, how am I gonna explain this? I pretty much put it in at an angle and then twisted this bottom so that it came down the bottom and placed it the center of the air shock, placed it in the hole up top, then pushed up and turned it up here just to get it in place. So if you can figure that out, sorry. I'm gonna go ahead and bolt this down and then we're gonna go up there and plug in the airline. So now I'm gonna go ahead and place this airline in. As you can see, there's 2 like little O-rings on it. Just kind of place it in as far as you can go and put the little went behind the there it is. So place them in and then lock it in place with this. So just shove it in and lock it down in place, then put the clip on. So I have my airline in place now installed. Just a little FYI, make sure that this clip actually secures like so, or it's in the groove and doesn't back out. So now I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. However, just to let y'all know, when we lower the vehicle, be sure to be very extra careful and line these up accordingly on both ends before doing so, just so we don't have any problems with the bolt studs here hitting the body of the vehicle. Make sure they go through the hole. So I'm gonna do the same thing and then we'll lower the vehicle and get back on top. All right, so I got those 2 nuts tightened down. I'm gonna go ahead and place this back on top with the out facing outside the vehicle. Once I do that, I'm just gonna go ahead and put all this back into place, put those little plastic clips back on, and we'll be done. So thanks for watching, y'all. Please like and subscribe. More videos to come.